Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for the headphones JBL Live Flex free using application. You have to start by open JBL application, then scroll down and click on support. Then click to reset to factory settings, reset. Now we should wait a little bit. Here we go. Now close the case, hide the application and go to settings, to Bluetooth. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now open the case and click on your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!